Hello everyone, we are representing Group P. So we are discussing the negotiation term. Neelam and I, Harpreet, we are representing as union members and Avneet and Navneet are representing as employer. So here we go. Hello sir, we are here to discuss regarding the collective agreement. We want to decide how the terms and conditions will work both for you and for us.
Hello, ma'am. According to me, our old terms and conditions are going very smooth. So I think they are the best for us, but we will listen to your new conditions. Please, you can share them.
Sir, as you know, we are near about 500 members working in this hospital. We all have discussed and concluded that there should be at least 2% increment in our wages, 25 days annual vacation, 7 days sick leave, plus 2,500 of healthcare too, and also the agreement for 3 years.
Ma'am, first of all, I would like to bring into your kind notice that the hospital has been facing financial problem because of COVID-19. And on the top of that, government has also stopped funding. Earlier, there was a lot of government support for our hospital, but now without funding, we all are self-independent.
Yeah, Namit is saying right that the situation presently is not going that good. The hospital is facing a lot of problem, and because of this, we are unable to make any changes with you. So I think it is going to be very hard, and we will face more financial problems because of this. So I request you to agree with the old terms.
Yes, we agree, but the thing is this that employers are asking very less. This is the only thing that they are asking to increase their wages by 2% and also giving some of the benefits. But you know that this is a time of pandemic and you should consider their point of view also.
Yes, I totally agree with Harpreet. As employees have been really working hard for the hospital, they should be given some raise in this in their salary. So I totally agree with her.
Ma'am, we do understand your problem, but I also agree upon the efforts made by our employees. But we also have to keep the situation of the hospital in our mind. We also would not like to say no to you guys because you are quite hardworking employees. So we can offer a 1% raise, 10 days annual vacation credit, 3 days sick leave, and $1,000 for healthcare. Moreover, we will sign a contract of 5 years. That will be a best for you guys.
No, actually, I don't think so that this will work. 1% raise is so less. And you are also decreasing the other benefits also. So I think that this won't work. And 5 years program is so lengthy for the employees to agree on all this. We don't agree on this. Then I think that employees also won't agree on 1% and 5 years of length of the program. So you can make some changes if you think that, but we can't agree on this.
I think we can talk on this because it is really hard for us also. We can just find a middle way for this so that the employees are also benefited and the hospital is also not that affected. So I think we can think of a middle way. That's going to be the best because giving so much of raise is not possible right now. So I we can also discuss the other benefits. How do you say about it, Navneet?
Yeah, I am fully agree with you, Avneet. I think it will be the best way out for this situation.
We can try, but this is a bit difficult for us to agreeing the employees on this. That this is was very minimum thing that they were asking. So according to me, that this is the thing that you can do for them. But we can also consider the financial status of the hospital. But we will try, but we can't say that this will work out.
Okay, I agree that you guys are not asking for a lot of changes, but the present situation is not that good to give you everything. But we can give you 1.5% of raise in salary, and we can increase your uh, annual leaves for 22, not for 25, and the leaves can be 6, and the healthcare cannot go to 2500 because of the financial situation. So we can just go to 2200 only because the employees, they are so hardworking and they have been working for so long with us, and the contract will be signed for 4 years, because it is not less and not more. So after that, we can change everything according to the need of the employees. And till that time, the situation of the hospital will also be good, and we can decide new terms. How do you say about it, Navneet?
Yeah, I am also thinking in the same way. In my opinion, this will be the best offer, keeping the current situation in mind. And what I think it will be beneficial for our employees also and for us also in future.
I think employees will not accept this, but we have to talk to them so that they can take exception from them. So we will talk about them regarding if they agree upon this, then we can sign this agreement. So we according to our mutual.
Ma'am, you guys also have to think about the hospital situation. This can be the best offer we can provide to our employees. Moreover, it cannot be possible.
Yes, as already Navneet and Avneet has said that we can find a middle way, and I think that Avneet has given good conditions, and I think that Neelam, we should agree on this.
Yeah, I also think that we should agree, and we expect that you will give a reasonable decision. So
Yeah. So
we
people are giving their time and dedication to the hospital. So I think that they will agree. We can hope for the best, and we can sign the agreement for 4 years, and we can continue with that. And after that, we can change some of the conditions.
Yes, I
Yeah,
think this is the best way for us and for you as well. And so I'll describe the agreement again. So we'll be having a 1.5% of raise in your salaries, and after that we'll give you 22 annual vacations, right? And sick days leave will be 6, and $2,200 for your healthcare, and the agreement will be for 4 years. And after that, we can change it and amend it according to our needs. And between these 4 years, we will not make any change. This is the final agreement and terms and conditions for 4 years. Between these 4 years, we will not accept any offers from you, and we will not change any terms and conditions. And this will be written in the agreement. If you guys agree on this, we can sign the agreement.
Yes, Abneet, I think that you can email us the terms and conditions so that we can discuss it with the employers and try to make them agree on that. We agree, and we will try our level best to make them agree. And I hope that this will work.
I think you represent your employees, and you should take your decision right now so that we can sign the agreement, because we cannot make more changes. This is the best I can do. If even your employees don't agree, so I cannot make any more changes. This is the best, either the situation which is going on right now, or this is my offer. Beyond this, I cannot go. So I think you should sign this on behalf of your union members, and I
Yes.
hope they will understand you. And I think this is the best. I cannot go beyond this because I also have to see the situation of the hospital. So I'll send you the terms and conditions. You can just sign them. What do you say about that?
Yes. So Neelam, what do you think that we should go with that?
yeah, I think so. We should accept that whatever they are giving us now. So yeah, thank you for doing that.
Yeah, this is the best for that.
we promise you guys to be sporty for you in the future, and we will look further for best opportunity for you also. And thank you for your precious time. And we will be signing the agreement, and that's it. Thank you so much.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.